Hello, hello, it's Angela with Dogwood Paper Arts, and I'm here today to give you a quick Valentine's make. So I'll show you this first. Now these are very old. My husband was in the military, and I used to put things in his duffel bags and stuff and hide them in there so he'd have something to find. And this one is a secret message for you. Think 2 names, and it should say and some lovely words, and pour out for message. So here it is. Oops, should pour it out in something. But here's all the letters, and you use the letters to make the letter to make the message. So I think it probably says I love you. Let's see, L-O-V-E, and I think it says Dale. I love, oops, you, Angela. Quick little message in a bottle. Dale, I love you, Angela. So he was gone, and I think this one was Valentine's. This was another occasion. So anyway, that's the first idea. So all you need is some beads and a little bottle and the ability to write a message with the correct spelling. I just attached it to this all the way around, and it didn't stay glued. I used tape, and then I put this little bow on it. And so that is idea number 1. I don't need to show you how to do these because really it's self-explanatory. So I just wanted to give you a few little ideas. These would be perfect for an older grandchild, and could say a Happy Valentine's Day in it. So there's that one. Here's this one. It says, to Dale, love potion number 9, love Angela, message in a bottle. Pull the cork. So you pull the cork, and out comes the message. And then, dear Dale, I love you with all my heart and soul. I will miss you dearly. Love, Angela. So, just a cute little vellum strip taped to a ribbon. And there you go. Little place to hang it. So that's idea number 2. Just a little, I used little tiny pins to attach this to the cork. And then the vellum I just attached to this ribbon and smooshed it up and put it in the bottle. So very simple. Simple little idea. So Valentine's idea number 1 and 2. And then I wanted to make one with you guys. And so I took a bottle that looks like this. I got this at Hobby Lobby. The other ones, I don't know where I got. So it's just a little bottle. I put some lace around it. I put glue around the edge all the way. And then I put that ribbon on there, that lace. And, you know, made sure it was glued well. Then I wrapped it with this red fuzzy yarn. And then I put this rose on top. And basically it's the same idea. There's a little message here. And I made this message on a piece of ribbon. Looks like this. I backed it with paper. Then I folded up the beginning, glued it and held it for a while, folded it over, And then I trimmed this to fit the cork right here. And I put a little pin through it. Now, when you put the pin in, I just used a pin like this. And you can see they're too long. It'd be too long to put in there. It'd go right through the cork. So I cut it off right about there with a wire cutter. And then I put glue all the way around it and on the little pin top. And then I poked it through here and into the cork. And the glue held it all together. I put a lot of glue here too. So you can see that it would get well glued. Now you want this to be where this piece is more in the center. This fold. Okay. I wrote my message on here and then I trimmed it off and gave it a little flag shape. And it says a little Valentine's Day puzzle, a secret message. But you could doctor this up better. I did have to trim my ribbon to fit up here. And then inside is the puzzle. And this one, I'm not going to put it all out, but it says Happy Valentine's Day. So it could be a nice little puzzle for a grandchild, an older grandchild. Just kind of a fun thing to do. That one doesn't have, I didn't want it to be too big, but it gives them something to play with and figure out and think about. But it says Happy Valentine's Day. So there you go. Just some really quick, really fun ideas for a happy Valentine's Day. So there you go. Messages in a bottle. And I don't even have to get out all my stuff and show it to you because it was all very self-explanatory. So I appreciate you stopping by and looking at the secret messages with me. And I will talk to you all later. Let me get this up close for you. There you go. So, hope you make one. They're a lot of fun. You do need some small letters. I got this at Hobby Lobby, and it's small letters. You can buy them with a little bigger letter, and that would go good in these bottles here actually because there's so much room in them. When I made my first ones, they were pretty small bottles, so I had to make sure I had beads that fit in there. But yeah, it's very quick, very easy, and I hope you'll make some. They're a lot of fun. I will talk to you in the very next video. Love you guys. Bye.